Hello, and welcome to this Tech to Go titled Keyboard Shortcuts to Work Faster, presented by Gear, a program offered through the OEC. Today we will walk through 6 essential shortcuts that cover the tasks you do every single day. Then I will give you a simple strategy for making these feel natural, so you are not stopping to think about them every time. Keyboard shortcuts keep your hands on the keyboard and your momentum going. And the best part, they are already built into your computer. Nothing to download, nothing to set up. They are ready right now. Let's start here with the 3 shortcuts that will immediately change how you work. The first 2 go together, Control-C and Control-V. Control-C is used to copy anything that you have already selected. Control-V can then be used to paste it wherever your cursor is. Let's try that out. First, I'm going to select this sentence. Now I will press Control-C and move my cursor to where I want it pasted. Next, I touch Control and V, and my sentence has been pasted. This copy and paste together is a game changer for anyone who rewrites the same information over and over, whether that be parent communications, lesson plan sections, or reoccurring announcements. Just type it once, highlight, copy, paste as many times as you need. And then there's Control-Z, quite possibly the most comforting shortcut on this entire list. Made a mistake? Highlight by clicking and dragging, and press Control-Z. Control-Z undoes your last action. Press it again and the action before that is undone too. You can keep on pressing it to step back through your recent actions one at a time. Control-C and Control-V also work on pictures. Select the picture you would like, press Control-C to copy, move your cursor, select Control-V to paste. Have you copied too many? Control-Z can fix that. Here are 2 more that you will use every day. Control-X to cut selected text or files, and then Control-P. Let's take a closer look at these. Let's look at Control-X first. Just like Control-C, I want to highlight what I want to change. Now Control-X deletes the text, so perhaps I want to replace good morning with hello. A simple Control-X removes the good morning. Perhaps I don't like that change. I can always use Control-Z to back up my choices. Control-P opens up the print window without having to hunt for it in the file menu. From here, you can print your document. Let's look at one last shortcut and a bonus one. Control-A selects everything on the page or in the folder, while Control-F finds a word or a phrase anywhere in a document. Let's look at those. Here I am in a shared drive. Perhaps I want to highlight and select all of these folders and documents. Simply with Control-A, I can select everything that's within this folder. This might be useful if I want to remove everything to the trash all at once, or if I want to relocate these items to a different folder. Control-F is a great shortcut to use when you're looking for a certain word within a document. By pressing Control-F, I can now look within the document for a keyword. Here it says 1 of 5, meaning interactive media appears 5 times within this article. I can use these arrows to advance to the next time interactive media is within the article. Here is your complete cheat sheet, 7 shortcuts, all using Control key plus 1 letter. Print this slide out and tape it next to your monitor until these feel automatic. I promise you, within a week or 2 of intentional practice, you'll be reaching for these without even thinking about it. You do not need to learn all 8 at once. Instead, pick just 2 this week. I recommend starting with Control-C, copy, and Control-V, paste, since copy and paste come up constantly. Once those feel natural, add 1 or 2 more. Tape that cheat sheet next to your monitor and glance at it whenever you need a reminder. Thank you for joining this Tech to Go on Keyboard Shortcuts, presented by Gear, a program offered by the OEC.